So, picture this. You're fresh off a great road trip or maybe just a perfectly smooth week of commuting. You walk up to your mailbox, open it up, and boom, there is an unexpected toll invoice staring right back at you, complete with a higher billing rate and the looming threat of late fees. Yeah, not exactly the best way to end your week, right? Well, welcome to this explainer. Today, we are going to dive into exactly how to check your NC Quick Pass balance online so you never ever have to deal with the stress of surprise toll invoices in the mail again. To put an end to those annoying invoices, you just need to understand one really basic rule about how this works. North Carolina's toll system heavily relies on prepaid accounts. If you aren't paying attention and don't maintain a funded account, you end up getting hit with a much higher bill by mail rate. And trust me, those extra cents and dollars, they pile up incredibly fast. Honestly, just managing your digital portal is the ultimate stress reliever for your daily commute. And here is the absolutely crucial point to remember: 50%. By simply keeping a positive prepaid balance on your registered account, you automatically lock in a massive 50% discount on North Carolina tolls. That is a huge amount of savings over a year of driving. But of course, to keep that awesome discount, you've got to know how to keep tabs on your balance. So here is our roadmap for this explainer. We'll quickly cover why QuickPass matters, how to access the portal, getting logged in and recovering your account if needed, checking your balance, a few hacks to optimize your account, and finally, a brief conclusion and disclaimer. All right, let's jump into part one, why NC QuickPass matters, and specifically, the power of prepaid. Look, the whole digital program is essentially designed to reward you for just being a little proactive. When you stay ahead of your balance, you're saving money, you're avoiding administrative headaches, and you're ensuring totally uninterrupted travel across 19 different states. It's all about maintaining that positive balance to keep the wheels turning smoothly. Moving right along to part two, let's actually get you started and into the portal. As long as you've got a stable internet connection and your transponder is already registered, this process is incredibly straightforward. It's basically just 4 quick steps: navigating to the gateway, authenticating your credentials, connecting to the database, and viewing your balance. And importantly, it keeps your personal financial data highly secure the whole time. To kick things off, just pull up the official NC QuickPass site on your web browser. The homepage is super clean and user-friendly. You're just looking for the login options. They're clearly visible right at the top menu or smack in the center of the page. Clicking that is your gateway to taking control of your account. Okay, section 3, login and account recovery, or how to overcome those annoying little roadblocks we all hit from time to time. This brings us to the main authentication screen, where you'll pop in your username and password. Oh, and a great pro tip here: if you're on your own secure private computer at home, definitely check that Remember Me box. It caches your username and saves you a step the next time you need to log in. But hey, we all forget passwords, right? If you hit a snag, no need to panic. Just click Forgot Username or Forgot Password. You just enter the email tied to your account, and the system automatically shoots a temporary password or a username straight to your inbox. It's a very seamless troubleshooting process. Once you open that automated email and click the link inside, you'll land right here on the reset screen. You just put in your username, paste in that temporary password from the email, and then securely type your brand new password twice to confirm it. Hit save, and boom, you have successfully regained full access to your account. Now, a quick heads up. If it is your absolute first time logging in to the newly updated site, you might see a pop-up requiring you to set up 3 account security questions. It's just a one-time setup designed to further protect your financial info. So pick questions with answers you won't easily forget, like your actual first pet's name, not the one you wish you had. All right, section 4, the main event, checking your balance on the dashboard. Once you're fully authenticated, the system redirects you to the main dashboard. And this right here is exactly what you want to see. The Summary tab immediately displays your current prepaid account balance front and center. In this example, the user has a healthy $20 balance, which means they are totally good to go and actively getting that sweet 50% toll discount. Think of this dashboard as your personal command center. It's not just a dollar sign. It features 9 really useful tabs where you get a full breakdown of your account status, confirm how you're funding the account, see recent payment alerts, and track exactly which active transponders are linked to your cars. So let's move to section 5. Let's optimize your account with a few easy hacks so you aren't forced to log in and check this manually every single day. First off, verify you've got the right setup. Whether you're using a personal, business, or NC-only account, they all require a super low $10 minimum balance per transponder. And the best part? Absolutely zero monthly administrative fees across the board. You are literally only paying for the tolls you actually use. Now, if you want true peace of mind and basically want to put this whole thing on autopilot, setting up auto replenishment is the ultimate optimization. You link a credit card, a debit card, or an ACH bank transfer. The system is actually really smart. After your first 30 days, it calculates your average 90-day toll usage and automatically adjusts your threshold. When your funds dip below that line, it just auto-charges your card. You never drop below the minimum, and you never lose your discount. And for absolute ultimate convenience, you really should download the free NC Quick Pass mobile app for iOS or Android. It uses the exact same login info we just talked about. You can check your balance on the go and get low balance push notifications. But what is incredibly cool about the app is it uniquely allows you to set a 3-person high occupancy vehicle or HOV status at least 15 minutes prior to travel. Do that and you get to drive completely toll-free on the I-77 express lanes. How great is that? Finally, Section 6. Let's do a quick conclusion and disclaimer so you can stay ahead of the game. To wrap this explainer up, the big takeaways are super simple. By securely logging in, keeping your balance positive on the Summary tab, and utilizing awesome tools like Auto Replenish and the mobile app, you are guaranteeing a stress-free commute. You totally avoid those dreaded mailed invoices, and most importantly, you keep your 50% discount on every single toll. And just a quick professional disclaimer before we go, please remember that digital interfaces, customer support procedures, and fees can and do evolve over time. While we've covered the current system thoroughly today, you should always verify these details directly from official sources at ncquickpass.com if you ever run into discrepancies or need further assistance. So I'll leave you with this. Are you going to keep letting those surprise mail invoices stress you out and drain your wallet? Or are you ready to take 10 minutes right now to guarantee a 50% discount on every commute? Log in, set up that auto replenish, and take absolute control of your commute today.